Hello, welcome to Term 2 and our CTC101 course. My name is Dr. Brianne Wynn, and I will be your instructor over the next 8 weeks. Please keep in mind that the class officially begins on Monday, August 29th, and the last day of the first week or the first unit is Sunday, September 4th. I wanted to take a moment to share a few things with you to get you ready for the course. First and foremost, I will be sending each of you an email to both your post and personal email addresses. That is the welcome email. This email will share a lot of information. I ask that you review it, and if you have any questions or concerns, to please let me know. Next, I recommend jumping into the Unit 1 discussion board post and introducing yourself. Also, make sure you head on over to the Meet the Instructor tab and read a little bit about me. I really think it's important that you get to know your classmates as well as get to know me. Next, please go to the Course Information tab and download the course syllabus. Here you can review all the information that is necessary to get prepared for this course. I'm really looking forward to a great term, and I'm really hoping that you are as well. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and you can see my contact information under the Meet the Instructor tab. Take care.